Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI and this is the ASUS TUF Gaming F17 gaming laptop.
The first thing I like about it is that the frame, it's very sturdy, very durable. I use it every day for work. I do a lot of video editing and I haven't found any type of problem with that. I work editing a lot of 4K videos. It edits and exports my videos without any problem. As a gamer, you know it's super important that the laptop doesn't lag and that you can fully enjoy all the graphics of the video game. And this laptop does that. I like the colors, the definition in the screen, which makes it perfect for gaming and so much more. Overall, I think this is one of the best gaming laptops I have owned.
So I think this is a great laptop for gaming, for work, for editing, whatever you need to do, this is the one. And that is my point of view.